More than 50,000 Bicolanos participated in today's campaign rally of Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas in Pili, Camarines Sur. The event was led once again by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself. During the program, the President personally campaigned for the administration's senatorial bets for Hatol ng Bayan 2025, including former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos and Makati City Mayor Abby Binay. Senators Bong Revilla, Pia Cayetano, Lito Lapid, Amy Marcos, and Francis Tolentino, House Solons Erwin Tulfo and Camille Villar, and former lawmakers who are aiming for a Senate comeback, Manny Pacquiao, Panfilo Lacson, and Tito Soto.
Ito na yung dream team para sa Senado. Kaya po ay nais namin muli na iharap sa inyo, ang ating mga kandidato ng alyansa.
In a press conference earlier, the admin slate laid out their platforms and views on various issues, including those of labor and employment.
Meron kami programa ni Senator Lacson, di ba, yung BRIM, Budget Reform Advocacy for Village Empowerment.
Dapat kasi tulungan natin ang ating MSMEs or micro, small, and medium enterprises because actually 67% or 70% ng mga trabaho dito sa Pilipinas ay binibigay or nanggagaling sa MSMEs.
At tingin ko dyan, we have to broaden, mas palakihin pa, palawakin pa yung Sustainable Livelihood Program ng DSWD.
Infrastructure and transportation issues in the Bicol region were also brought up.
Siguro po panahon na para makita hindi lamang po ng DOTR, kung hindi ng mga economic managers natin, yung mga bansang mas may kapasidad. And I'm referring to Korea, and I'm referring to Japan. Kita yung Shinkansen, iba na hong level yun.
Kaya naudlot yung China na loan para sa project sa Riles. Luma yung binibigay sa atin. Yung pinaglumaan nila, yung parang yung gustong isaksak sa paga natin. So, bullet train na tayo ngayon for Diyos por Santo. Huwag na tayo masa doon sa kakalog-tulog ng mga railway system.
From PTV, Melalas Moras, Balitang Pambansa.